In this video, we are going to discuss about the simulation panel in the simulation mode, and also we will be discussing about the attributes in the simulation panel in practical. So you see here, this is a simulation panel, and under this you see event list, which is visibility, as well as you can see about the time per seconds, and also you can see about the last device and also the type and the information of the device. Under that you can see the reset simulation tab, and with the constant delay, and also capture to in which seconds. And under that you can see play controls. One is back, auto capture play, and capture forward. This is as similar to the simulation panel here, and you can see the tab in the simulation mode also has the same control commands like back, auto capture or play, and capture and forward. So coming under that, you see in the simulation panel below the play controls, you can clearly see about the event list filters, which are the visible events available here. And here you can see that you can edit these filters. These filters have CDP and all the related filters for the miscellaneous, and for IPv4 you can clearly see that they are ARP, DNS, ICMP, BGP, EIGRP, OSPF, DHCP, HSRP, and RIP under IPv4. And under IPv6 you can see DHCPv6 and ICMPv6, RIPNG, EIGRP-v6, NDP, HSRP-v6, and OSPF-v6. So these are the filters. So you can see you can edit the ACL filters here by clicking on them, and also you can see when you can create a new ACL filter, and you can permit any IP address as an example. So we can type permit IP any, then it clearly gives that ABCD destination address. Any means any destination host, and host means a single destination. So when you click on submit, a new ACL filter is created. So to delete this new ACL filter, you can click on delete. Automatically it will be deleted here. So this is about the ACL filter creation, and here beside the edit filters you can see the show all and none command. So when you click on show all, it will show all, and when you click back again it will show none here. So this is the example, and you can see when you click on this capture or forward, you can see a slow motion of a packet being transferred from PC9 to switch 2, which is successful. And also when you click back on the capture and forward, again it will be forwarding it to the PC10. And if you click on auto capture and play, automatically you can see clearly that it will be automatically forwarded one step in a one-step format, so that it don't directly send from PC10 to PC9, but it will send from PC10 to switch to, from there to PC9. So this is about the simulation panel,